And in today's video, we will see how to redeem the GTA Plus free month from GTA 6 pre-order. Claim your bonus on PS5 and Xbox. So first, how to redeem GTA Plus free month from GTA 6 pre-order. So to redeem your free month of GTA Plus membership, including with your digital pre-order of Grand Theft Auto 6, you must claim it manually from your console digital store from. So after completing your pre-order purchase, the free month is available immediately upon ordering and does not require you to wait until the game launch on November 19, 2026. First, for the PlayStation 5, you can go to the PlayStation Store on your PS5 console or web browser, then search for GTA Plus or navigate directly to the official GTA Plus product page. The price of the subscription tier will display as free, means $0, because your account holds the GTA 6 pre-order license. Then select purchase or claim and follow the on-screen prompt to complete the transaction at no extra cost. Note, the PS5 players must redeem this offer by March 31, 2027. Number 2, for Xbox Series XS. Open the Microsoft Store from your console dashboard. Now head into the offer and credits or active offer section within the store front menu. Then locate the 1 month GTA Plus pre-order bonus item. Then list it under your account available credit and click on claim or redeem to add the free month directly to your Xbox profile network license. So the note is that the Xbox player must redeem the reward within 180 days from their initial pre-order purchase date. Now the critical subscription management warm up. So the auto renewal warning. The free month automatically turns into a recurring paid subscription once the 30 days free period finish. To avoid being charged the regular monthly fee, you must manually go into the platform account subscription management settings and turn off auto renew immediately after claim it. Then the existing subscriber. If you currently have an active membership, Rockstar support note that you can still claim the bonus to stack an extra month onto your active account cycle. Now the current benefit. Since GTA 6 is dedicated, multiplayer features will not be live at launch. Claiming the free month right now applies the benefit, including the $5 lakh GTA game cash and exclusive Winewood Club features directly to your existing character profile in GTA Online. So goodbye and thanks for watching.